Welcome students in virtual class of Mathematics First Standard 10. Today in this video we are going to study about the linear equation in two variable. In this chapter we mainly focus on the method of solving simultaneous equation, that is graphical method. So student, in this unit we learn how to find the solution of linear equation in two variables. Next we have to learn the graph of a linear equation in two variables. And third point we are going to discuss in this video is that graphical method of solving simultaneous equation. So let's start students. First as we learned in the previous video, the solution of linear equation in two variable. For example, we take here one example of linear equation x plus y is equal to 4. That is, if we substitute value of x, any value of x, we find value of y. For this, simply we convert this equation in term of y, that is y is equal to 4 minus x, uh, and substitute value of the x in this equation and find value of y. We prepare table for this as the follows. If substitute value of x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3 in the equation x plus y is equal to 4, we get value of y, corresponding value of y. If we substitute 0, we get y is equal to 4. If we substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. If we substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. If we substitute x is equal to 3 in the given linear equation, we get y is equal to 1. That is, we find this all the solution for this uh, linear equation in two variable. As we study in the last video, every linear equation has infinite many solutions. So as we substitute value, we are going to substitute value of x. We find the value of y. So here are we need four necessary values, four order pair or four coordinate. That's we are going to that are you going to use in this graphical method. So we consider only four coordinate pairs here. So we learn we take example for this, a graph of linear equation in two variable. What is the nature of graph of linear equation in two variable? So for this we use the ICT tool. How can we draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4 on a graph paper? So student, first we take a graph here. For this we use the GeoGebra software. Uh, if we observe this window of this software, we see the three panels: this graphical view, algebraic view, and input bar. And as we uh, find the solution of x plus y is equal to 4, there are four solutions. We consider, we take in account only four solutions. So we plot this point on this graph. First point we plot or are going to plot a point a, that is 0 4. 0 x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 4. So point a is here 0 4. If I click here, you see the 0 4 coordinate of a point a 0 4 in the algebraic panel here. So next point we are going to plot here, point b 1 3, that is x coordinate is 1, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 3. So this is second point. We see the coordinate of b 1 3. Third point we are going to plot 2 2, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 2. That is the coordinate of c point is 2 2 here. Third point is 3 1. We plot the 4 points a b c d, that is we find the solution of equation x plus y is equal to 4. If we observe these 4 points, we see that these 4 points are collinear points. That is why we say that these are the collinear points, because if we draw a line passing through this 4 point, we get a straight line. So we see how we get a line. If we click on point A and C or A and B or A and D, we get a straight line. So the nature of a graph of a linear equation is a straight line. So this is how we draw a graph of a linear equation in two variable in the by using ICT tool. Similarly, now we are going to study how to plot the graph of simultaneous equation in two variable. For this, we take next example. Now see, this is how we use the ICT tool for drawing the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. Next, we are going to see here solve the simultaneous equation. That is the graphical method of solving simultaneous equation. Solve the simultaneous equation x plus y is equal to 4, a 2x minus y is equal to using graphical method. Similarly, as we find the four solution of x plus y is equal to 4, we have to prepare the table for 2x minus y is equal to 2. So we consider value of x, convenient value of x, and find value of y. So for this 2x minus y is equal to 2, there are infinite many solutions. Beyond this, we take four solutions, that is 0, negative 2, 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the same process on the by using ICT tool, and that is the GeoGebra tool, and plot the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 2. So we next we open same the GeoGebra site. Now we have to plot the point 0, negative 2. So we plot the point 0, negative, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is negative 2. So the position of the point is here. We consider this point as a E. If we observe the algebraic panel, we see its coordinate 0, negative 2. Second point is 1, 1, and second point we are going to 0 to plot 1, 0, that is it is a on the x-axis. So second point F is 1, 0. Third point we are going to plot here is we are see the table. First point is 2, negative 2. For second point 1, 0. Third point 2, 2. And fourth point we have to plot on the graph 3, 4. So we plot the point on the graph 2, 2. 2, 2 is the point x coordinate to y coordinate. If we click on this point, we see that the C is the same point for the first solution of the equation x plus y. So we take a point, then 3, 4, 3, x coordinate 3, y coordinate is 4. So if we observe point E, F, C, and G, these 4 points are also collinear points. That is, if we draw a line passing through this point A and G, we see that it is a straight line graph. So, and we observe that the point C is a common point or a point of intersection of both the line. So it is a point of intersection C and its coordinate is 2, 2. That is the same for the both equation first x plus y is equal to 4 and equation second 2x minus y is equal to 2. So it is the common solution for both the equation. So it is a solution. Coordinate C that is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 is the solution of the simultaneous equation x plus y is equal to 4 to x minus y is equal to 2. So in this way, by using graph, we can prepare a table for a linear equation. Then we also prepare the table for the second linear equation. We plot the point on the graph paper and we draw the first line, that is the graph of the first linear equation and second. and where they intersect, this is the point of intersection is the solution of both the equation. So solution of simultaneous equation by using graphical method for this given equation is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So student, in this way we study the how the how we use the graphical method for solving the simultaneous equation in two variable. So